morning, Scots. I'm Eliana.
And I'm Tessa. Welcome to another edition of Scots Weekly.
We want to start by welcoming back all of our students and staff to Highland High School.
That's right, we just wrapped up our very first full week of school.
And to the class of 2029, our newest freshmen, welcome to the best school in Bakersfield.
Now let's jump into this week's announcements.
First up, Scots, don't forget your student ID card.
Your ID gets you into all Highland sports events for free.
That includes games right here on campus like football, volleyball, and basketball.
And even when Highland plays an away game, like over at East, your ID still works.
Just a heads up, this only works at Highland games, not other schools like Liberty versus South.
So keep that ID handy, show your Scots pride, and cheer on Highland whenever you can.
Next, attention all 9th graders. If you want to be a leader on campus and help make decisions for the freshman class, 9th grade class council applications are now available.
Stop by the activities office next to the girls' restroom in Building 3 to pick one up. Applications are due August 27th.
Finally, Scots, if you are celebrating a birthday or you have any occasion to celebrate,
please be aware that the office cannot receive flowers, balloons, or food.
Also, big items will not be accepted either, so let your parents know this information as well.
Now it's time for a quick commercial break.
We'll be back in a few moments.
You watch where you're going. You watch where you're going. You watch where you're going. Get off of me!
Stop this. We need to settle our differences with our words and not our actions.
Oh, hell yeah, Uncle.
If we keep on doing that, it's going to get us nowhere. But if we talk with our words, then maybe we'll get somewhere and do better. Scots, how?
Oh, hell yeah, peace and love.
Welcome back, Scots.
Now let's go, Julian.
Yo, Scots, come with me to take a quick tour around Highland. First stop, Scots, the cafeteria. It looks like Godzilla came and ripped the roof off, but now we're finally getting it rebuilt. It's probably gonna take 6-7 years. Yo, what's up, Scots? Next up on this tour is the library. Hold up, did you know the library got more drama than your group chat? I'm talking mystery, betrayal, fantasy, all kind of things. Next up on this tour, Scots, the pack room. You might end up here sometimes, but don't panic, you're not in trouble. You just need a little friend to talk to, that's all. Behind me, Scots, that's the mystery pool. Yup, still under construction, probably for about 2 to 3 more years, who knows. But once it's done, it's gonna be lit. Next up, Scots, the wall. We host our main events, band events, FFA events, drama, films, and many more. Mean Girls coming soon. Next up, Scots, the dean's office. If you get caught up here, it's serious talk, no funny business. You might meet one of the officers, Mr. Calderon. Might be one of the coolest people you ever meet. Final stop, Scots, the gym. This is what we call Freshman Central, where you might have to do burpees. Shout out Coach G. All right, till next time, Scots. Remember, don't be scared to visit these faucets around campus. Stay hydrated.
Thank you, Julian, for the tour.
Now we're going with our sports team.
Scots, I'm Frankie Barra.
And I'm Adrian Quadras. Welcome to the Highland Sports Network.
Let's jump right into this week's announcement.
Fill in the heat, cool off, and make a splash in Loch Ness, our very own Highland pool. If you're ready to join the water polo team, dive in and see Coach Prasser in room 4PI for all details. Don't wait and get in the game.
The girls had a big volleyball game against East. Let's get into the highlights. Hello, Scots. Who am I here with?
Elena Grahalva.
Elena, tell me, how does it feel after the big win?
It feels good, especially knowing that they're our rivalry and that we just won.
Is there anything you would like to say about how your team did in perform?
I think that in the beginning it was a little rocky because we were nervous, but towards the end we really picked it up and we were able to get the win.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Of course, it's Coach Staff.
Coach Staff, tell me, how does it feel after having the big win against East High in the Battle of the Blocks?
It's a good win. You know, this rivalry runs deep since I was in high school, so having my girls come here, play strong and confident, and take this dub, it's a good day. It's a good day.
Love that. Now tell me, what do you guys look forward to during the season?
I think one thing we look forward to this season is just coming back stronger than last year. Last year we went in the third round of playoffs, and so we're looking to go farther this year. We have state on our mind, and that's our goal. So we're working every day just to achieve that goal.
Awesome. Thank you, Coach Sapp. Can't wait to see it.
Tiffany Torres.
Tiffany, how does it feel knowing that this is your last year playing for Highland High School in the volleyball team?
Honestly, it's a little sad for me. I don't want to leave. I want to be here. I want to be a team forever, you know, but, you know, just going to make it count and do my best and, you know, get our rankings up there.
Can't wait to see how you perform at the end of the season.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, Scott, so let's toss it over to Tiffany.
She's got some awesome interviews lined up with students around Highland.
Hi, I'm Tiffany Torres. Who am I here with, guys?
Isaac, Avion Borger,
Elias.
And who do you guys think is going to win today, East or Highland?
Highland.
Highland. East.
Why do you guys think that?
I have 2 friends on the football team. Highland has a lot of potential.
Just guessing.
Thank you. Who am I here with today? Isaac.
Freddie.
Who do you guys think is going to win today, East or Highland? Scots.
I think Highland's going to win.
Thank you. Who am I here with today?
Cece and Lily.
Who do you guys think is going to win today, East or Highland?
Highland. There's a B on you. Highland. Highland.
Thank you. Who am I here with today?
Lily. Alani.
And who do you guys think is going to win today, East or Highland?
Highland for sure.
Highland. Who am I here with today?
George. Cruz Sanchez.
And who do you think is going to win today, East or Highland?
Highland. Highland all the way.
Thank you. Who am I here with today?
Irish.
And who do you think is going to win today, East or Highland?
Highland.
That wraps up sports for today.
Back to the desk before I start thinking I'm Shannon Sharp.
Go Scots.
Commercial break.
We'll be back with our final announcement for today.
La la la. La,
Take
la.
that!
This is what we don't want at Highland High School. Don't be a bully. It's not cool, it's not kind, and it's not right.
Hey, I really like your outfit today. Oh my god, thank you. I love yours. Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Hey Scots, make sure to stop by and support Highlands Red Cross Club at our snow cone sale after school Friday, August 22nd at the South Gate. Snow cones will be $1 each. We hope to see you there.
Hi, my name is Jesus Ornales Perez, and I'm here with
Celeste.
Hannah. And how was your first week of school?
It was pretty good. I got lost a little bit, even though I'm a senior, so yeah, it went pretty good though.
How was your first week?
It was good, except for when she switched out of my class, but it's alright.
Who am I here with? CJ.
Kathleen.
How was y'all's first week of school?
It was good. I liked my teachers and everything. It was good.
It's alright. I have a few friends in my classes.
Who am I here with?
Matthew Hernandez.
And Matthew, how was your first week of school?
Man, my first week of school was great. It feels really good to be a senior and get this year over with.
Who am I here with?
Paisley.
Matthew.
And Paisley, how was your first week of school?
It was really fun. I enjoyed it.
How was your first week of school, Matt?
It was fun. I enjoyed the games and the festival thing.
Who am I here with?
Paul Flores.
And Paul, how was your first week of school?
It was pretty good. I'm excited for what the year has to come.
Thank you for the interview. Who am I here with today?
Ashley.
And Ashley, how was your first week of school?
My first week was good. I made a lot of friends, and freshman orientation was really good.
Hey, thank you for the interview, Ashley.
Before we go, Reagan has something important to share.
Let's hear it.
Hey Scots, I'm Reagan. Auditions for our first musical of the year, Mean Girls, are September 2nd, 3rd, and 4th after school. Performances are in November, and this counts as an 8th grade class. We're looking for singers, dancers, and actors. Everyone's welcome. Plus, Broadway star Carrie Butler will be working with our cast, so don't miss out. For details, follow at HHS_Scots_theater or see Mr. Thompson in room 8C. Check out this video.
Hi, Highland High School. It's Carrie Butler here. I was in the original Mean Girls cast, and guess what? I'm coming to your school. I hope that you will audition for Mean Girls so then we can work together when I come there. I'm really excited. It's a super fun show to do. There's so many great parts. You will have such a great time. So audition. Mwah.
Thinking about auditioning for Mean Girls? Come to the workshops next Tuesday and Wednesday after school. You'll get to work with the choreographer and vocal director to prep for auditions. Reminder, if you have any questions at all, see Mr. Thompson in room 8C.
Well, Scots,
That's it for us.
thank you for watching Scots Weekly.
And always remember to
Plaid up.